Hi everyone, I'm Marchita. I'm from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Department of CSCI. Today let us discuss about optimal binary search. Introduction to optimal binary search. Optimal binary search is a search algorithm that finds the position of a target value within a sorted array by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half. It is an efficient algorithm with a time complexity of log n, making it ideal for large data sets. Optimal binary search is based on the principle of divide and conquer, reducing the search space by half with each compression. How to optimal binary search works? The algorithm compares the target value with the middle element of the array. If the target value is equal to middle element, the position is returned. If the target value is less than the middle element, the search is then performed on the left subarray, otherwise it performed on the right subarray. Key steps of optimal binary search. Calculate the middle index of the array. Compare the target value of the middle element based on the compression result recursively. Search the left or right subarray until the target value is found or the search interval is empty. Advantages of optimal binary search. Optimal binary search has a time complexity of O log n, making it efficient for large data sets. It is a divide and conquer algorithm that reduces the search space by half with each compression. Optimal binary search is ideal for searching in sorted arrays where random access is not available. Limitations of optimal binary search. The array must be sorted for optimal binary search to work correctly. If the array is not sorted, additional sorted steps are required, increasing the overall time complexity. Optimal binary search may not be suitable for dynamic data sets that require frequent insertions and deletions. Application of optimal binary search. Optimal binary search is commonly used in search engines to quickly retrieve relevant information from large databases. It is utilized in compilers for symbols, table lookup and other search operations. Optimal binary search is also employed in network routing algorithms to efficiently find the best path. Best practices for implementing optimal binary search. Ensure the array is sorted before applying the binary search algorithms. Optimize the implementation by carefully handling edge cases and boundary conditions. Consider the data distributions and characterization to fine tune the binary search performance. Compression with linear search. Optimal binary search outperforms linear search, especially for large data sets due to its time complexity of O log n. Linear search has a time complexity of O(n), making it less efficient for searching in sorted arrays. Optimal binary search is preferred for applications requiring fast and efficient operations. Challenges and future development. Enhancing the efficiency of binary search algorithms or specified data structures, addressing the limitations of binary search in dynamic and uncertain data sets, exploring hybrid search algorithms that combine the strengths of binary search with other search techniques. Conclusion. Optimal binary search is a powerful algorithm for efficiently searching in sorted arrays. Its timely complexity of O log n makes it ideal for large datasets and critical applications. By understanding the principles and best practices of optimal binary search, developers can leverage its benefits for improved search performance. Thank you.